So I just shot back-to-back 300s, but I want you guys to let me know if it counts in your book. Because here we are bright and early at Aaron's Family Fun Center. This is the second day of competition where Madison and I are going to bowl. Hopefully we put up a good score. It's gonna take a lot. Current lead is like 1550 for a 3-game doubles set. So it's gonna take a ton of strikes. Hopefully we can put up a score. And then I got doubles after that with Austin Bold, same thing. 1550 still the leading score, so we're gonna need a ton of strikes today, but hopefully one of these sets we can pop off.
Are you gonna carry me today? Need to.
Well, Madison and I shot 1440, 620 for her, 820 for me with the 300 the last game. And the new lead is 1570. So Austin and I got one squad left. It's our last squad, and 1570 is the number to get. So we don't have a lot of misses. We just have to strike pretty much every frame. Here we go. So I just shot back-to-back 300s, but I want you guys to let me know if it counts in your book. Because I shot 300 at the end of the first set and the beginning of the second set, which means there was like 10 minutes of practice in between those 300s, as well as like a 2-hour break. So you let me know down below in the comments if you would count that as back-to-back 300s. I know I count it kind of. And don't forget, while you're down there in the comments, hit that subscribe button down below, because we are giving away a bowling ball every single day after we hit 100,000 views for the rest of the year. So if we hit it December 1st, we're giving away 31 bowling balls, one a day, every single day of December. But don't forget, click that subscribe button, help us reach 100K as quick as possible so I can get you guys as many bowling balls as possible. And let's get back to the video. All right, guys, well, that ends my weekend in Kansas City. It was really fun bowling with Madison and bowling with Austin twice each. I finished second in singles with that 824 set I had with Austin. Put me in second by, I think, 6 or 7. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And until then, peace. We kicking it like FIFA.